Hi everyone, in this video we'll talk about solar cell. Before we go into solar cell, do you use the computer and your handphone in your daily life? Yes, we do use it, but how does it work? The computer, the phone, the lighting in your house, it do actually require the electricity. But where does the electricity come from? The electricity is generated by the power plant, and then it will transmit via the transmission line. Before it go to the transmission line, we need to step up the voltage by using a transformer. And then throughout this transmission line, we can deliver the energy or the electricity to your house. Before it go to your house, we need to further step down the voltage, okay? And then it will go to your house so that you can turn on your computer, you can charge your phone, and you can turn on your light. But the electricity normally is generated by the non-renewable energy. Okay, for example, we are using the natural gas, fossil fuel, oil, and the coal. But these are the non-renewable energy. Soon, it will depleted, and it do actually harm our environment. Therefore, nowadays we are replacing them by using the renewable energy. For example, we can use the solar, hydropower, wind, and the biomass energy to generate electricity. Why we are going to use this renewable energy to generate electricity? First, it's good for our climate or the environment, because by using all this renewable energy, we will produce lesser greenhouse gases, air pollution, so it's good for our environment. Second is the lower cost, where we can get the solar, we can get the hydropower and the wind biomass easily because we can harvest it from our nature. Sometimes when you pass by some house, they do actually install this solar panel. Okay, so this solar panel will harvest the solar energy and convert into the electricity. So this is how the solar panel works. In a solar panel, it consists of N region here, where it's made up of an N-type semiconductor, and the second one is the P region, which consists of the P-type semiconductor. In the N region here is the electron-rich region, and for the P region here is the hole rich region, or we can see that is a positive here. And you can see that this region here, when they meet, we call it as the PN junction. So when the sun shines on the solar panel, first it will penetrate through this N region, and then it will go to this PN junction. So this photon will generate electron and the hole pairs in this PN junction. The electric field here will drive to the electron to the N region, okay, and leave the hole to the P region. So it will actually generate the potential difference between the N region and the P region. So when you connect it into the bulb, or we call it the load, you can see that the electron will flow from the N region to the P region. And when it flows, the light bulb here will light up. So when it's continuous, so it will generate the electricity, and this will provide the direct current. This is the bigger picture when we harvest our solar energy through our solar panel. It will convert the photons, okay, or the solar energy into the direct current, and then it will go through this inverter, okay, it will turn this direct current generated to the alternating current, and then it can be used in your house. And when the unused current, you can send it back to the grid. So you can send it to the utility company. So this is why solar panel is getting famous in Malaysia. This is the end for the video. Thank you for your attention.